we have here?
Carlos Urrutia.
And what were you doing 15 years ago?
Playing baseball. Played professional baseball with the Cubs.
Make your belly into jelly.
Oh, you heard?
Are you okay? You'll be fine.
Best relief I ever had. Oh, man.
Did you feel that go all the way down? All the way down.
All the way down.
All of it.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. You told me
Felt like a new
you're
man.
uncrackable.
Not anymore. Feel straight now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Feel like I'm 20 again. Ringdinger magic. I can just get up. Like I gain all my strength back.
Not too bad, huh?
It's awesome. It's indescribable, man. It's awesome.